Hello, plane. My friends, it's day 23 of your 30 days of morning yoga. It's me, Coach Vigue. Thanks for clicking on this video. Remember, the link to all 30 videos is down below. Share that on. This is day 23, quick one to open, release, and renew. About 10 minutes long, lots of breath. Open everything up. You're short on time. This is for you. I've spent more time talking than the actual flow will probably be. Today's random question, by the way, the random question is, do you prefer going to the mountains or going to the beach? Mountains or beach? Mountains, let us know below, and we'll reward you with an all-expense-paid trip to Toledo, Ohio. All right, let's begin. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Please click that notification bell up there too. I appreciate that. Whew, I think the humidity is making me feel very good. Child's pose, we're gonna do a nice long bend here. So take this left hand forward. The right hand's gonna cross over. We're gonna lengthen and then draw your body back. So this right shoulder goes back. Feel free to take the knees back further as well. Let's breathe. Really focus on those full, satisfying breaths in and out. Say what you will, but I love this stretch. Feel it in my shoulders, my back, my sides. A nice little rotation here. Even in a rather challenging position like this, we're opening up the body, drawing this shoulder back. 3 more breaths. Ooh, I'm leaking on my face. All right, other side. Oh, that nose itch was a long time coming there. There we are. Right hand down, left hand sneaks behind it. Here we go. See how your sides balance out, how they stack up. Five more breaths. Walk it back up, walk it back up. Bring it down onto your stomach. I call this heels to butt, heels to butt. Bring your face down, grab your feet or ankles. Perhaps this is as far as you're getting, or you can just bend the legs and reach back. If not, heels down onto the glutes. You can bring a cheek down or the face down. I don't want to knock my AirPods out. A little shimmy side to side, stretching your quads. Ooh. As always, it creeps into the low back, providing some movement, some blood flow. Press the tops of your knees down also. There we go. Five more breaths. Should bring a pillow with me. I'll keep it here. Don't worry about me, my friend. Focus on yourself. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. Sound like my son sometimes. It's the good life. All right, come out of that. Forearms down. We'll start here. Might not look like much, but this little Sphinx baby Cobra pose is very powerful, very effective. Draw the shoulders back, engage in the arms and the shoulders, and scooch forward a little bit. Well, I will. Extend the legs back. Get that lift. It's not overdone in up dog. I know sometimes we can get excited. We press up a little too far, more than our body is ready to go. This one keeps it nice and intermediate, right in the middle. Now I also have something for you. What's that over there behind the desk? This is a extended Cobra. Take your arms out, palms down. You control the lift by how close or how far away the hands are. I'm gonna walk in, I'm gonna drop the shoulders. 8 breaths right here, legs are back. Keep depressing the shoulders. It's like a hydraulic lift, or your office chair when you pull that lever and it goes. There we are. The old office chair analogy. Staples owes me for that. Full body breath. Visualize it. Visualization is very powerful. Visualize the breath flowing from the lungs through every part of your body. Right? That hornet agrees. Lengthening into the lift, not compressing, not kinking the hose, but lengthening the hose out, lengthening the spine. And you can't do it without a good, steady flow of breath. No, no, no. Okay, down. Child's pose, a little variation here. Take the knees where you wish. Elbows down. Sinking back. Bend the elbows. Place the thumbs back of your head or neck. Relax, release. I feel a little tight coming into it, but I know within a few breaths that tightness will be a thing of my past. Take the elbows further forward. You got yourself a nice tricep stretch going. This is just too good. 7 more breaths. That ought to do it. Start your day with me. Make the day extraordinary. You got 30 days. Diverse, challenging, unique flows and workouts. All body weight. The greatest gym it appears we will ever have is our body. Our body. We're never without it. Though sometimes I have little out-of-body experiences in these flows. Perhaps that's for a podcast or another video. But a lot of you know what I'm talking about. All right, one more breath. I probably tacked on an extra one there, but so be it. All right. Are we still here? Looking a little rough there. Okay, bring it down onto your backs. But first, like this one, the barbaric yawp, yawp, shoulders back and down. Open up the chest. We want that. Feel that power when you open it up and the breath gushes through there like a mighty river, mighty body of water. A few shoulder rolls into the fray. One more, up and back. Yawp. Yawp. Okay. Wait, I just had a real humdinger here. Oh, yes. Onto your backs. Oh, wait. Switch the cap. Feet flat, lift up, bridge. Adjust accordingly. There we are. Pockets in. Place your hands, got into that. Place your hands on your diaphragm right below the rib cage. Your diaphragm lays, it's what pumps the breath in and out of your body. For the absolute best kind of breath, the most effective, the healthiest, the best for your posture and energy in life, this area, when you breathe in, needs to expand. Oh, ho, ho, ho. And then exhale, let it draw back in. Work that diaphragm. Reminds me of an old Steve Martin joke, which I won't repeat here. Boy, this video is all about teases, isn't it? Sending y'all to YouTube to look up Steve Martin and diaphragms. One more breath. Lift. Get in touch with that breath. I'm telling you, you will live at 30, 40, 50% more if your breath has been failing and you tap into the breath. Let's lower down. It is an instant, powerful enhancement. Bring the knees into the chest, rocking side to side. I'm thinking about breath right now. I did a whole tutorial in my head on breath. And the whole time I was thinking, should I say this out loud? I'm like, no, it's too much. Let's just enjoy the birds. Another tease. Just call this the tease stretch. Drop the legs to the side. Extend the top one out if you like, grabbing where you will. You've been doing this 30 days of morning yoga. This is day 23. So if you're doing them in order, this is your bread and butter right now, my friend. We are acclimated. Our body is adapting to these movements. It's adapting in real time, getting stronger, more responsive. The mind-body connection becomes sharper all the time. Send an impulse from the brain, boom, the body does it. Other side. We probably ran over 10 minutes. I apologize, but that's extra credit. It's extra good stuff. Every second spent doing something very good for you, for me, for all of us, for the birds, for Tepi. Wait, what's his name? Tippy Hedrum. Tippy Hedrum? Okay. Another reference. I'm telling you, the humidity brings even more random references out of my brain. All right, my friends, come on up. That's it, day 23. Did you like that? Did that help? If it did, please hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell to never, ever miss a workout. Like this video and please share it. Share that link below for all 30 videos. Share it on. Let's get everybody flowing and flowing, because we know this, what we do here in these flows, enhances everything else that we do. Every sport, every activity, every movement, every thought, every breath you take, I'll be watching you. Today's random question: do you prefer going to the mountains up here or the beach down here? I just moved from the mountains back to area near the beach. For me, unless it's Manhattan Beach, California, or Huntington Beach, California, where I grew up, I have to say mountains. I like rolling hills, love the rolling hills of Wisconsin. That is where my heart usually is, but you can't beat the Colorado mountains or the Montana mountains up in Glacier Park or the Swan Range. Absolutely breathtaking, my friends. Soak that in. Well done. I will see you tomorrow for day 24. 24. Morgen am Morgen. Until then, what are you doing?
Huh?
Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.